tummy tuck with muscle repair, skin removal, and lipo, and it was with Dr. Galardi. I had twins 20 years ago, and a lot of excess skin left from that, and then about a year ago I went to the doctor and I was having so much inflammation in that area, and I tried to lose weight, I tried to work out, and I knew that there was an abdominal separation. I didn't realize how broad it was until I had a CT scan. Broad diastasis recti. I'd done sit-ups, I'd worked out for years, I'd done diet and all this stuff, only to find out that everything I was doing was just making it worse and making it protrude more. And the only way to fix it was to have it repaired. And then I was like, I've been carrying around all this excess skin that, people were like, oh, do some sit-ups and, do the diet. And once the skin loses its elasticity, there's nothing, it just hangs. And so it's been very exciting to have all that done and buy jeans in a lower size. And I have lost quite a bit of weight. I bought belts so I can tuck in shirts and I'm not self-conscious about, having that pooch there. And I have 2 bikinis, so exciting. And I feel like I've turned back the clock. Like I feel as good as I did in my late 20s, which is amazing. When I came in and had my consult, I asked him about I think it's called the floor procedure or something, where they cut you up and down and across. And he looked at me and he said, I really think we can get where you want to be without having to have a scar going up and down and across for the rest of your life. And then he said, if you were my wife, this is what I suggest you do, which at that point, I'm just like, so he's going to take care of me like I'm family. And that was pretty big, because it is such a big procedure. And you are going to be down for a little while, but it's been completely worth it. I'm so excited I can work out, and, it's just, it's been big for me and my family. Everybody was great. Sam was great with Kim, with the financial part of it. She was great. I mean, it was just seamless. I really didn't know what to expect. I've been through 2 C-sections. It was a little bit more difficult than a C-section. And all it boils down to is doing what you're told to do. About 2 weeks, I was bent over walking like I was an elderly woman. Used ice packs on my belly and ice packs across my back, because ice always helps with inflammation. Along with all the medication, there wasn't a lot of pain. It was fantastic. It was great. After the 2-week mark, I felt like I turned a corner. I feel great. Around the 4 to 6 week mark, I felt like, okay, I'm ready to go, but I haven't been released. It's nice to be able to be there where I can get back into that. Scar cream is great. I think it's great that they include that package. Like, all that is helpful. I was referred here by a dear friend of mine for years, someone else. 2 days in a row it happened that I was referred to come here, and I was like, okay, God, I hear you. And I was able to get in, and pretty quickly I felt like recommend them, and I said absolutely.